So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Polygon Frame tool in your Adobe InDesign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your software in your computer, and after that you guys will need to create a new file in your software. So for that guys, you will need to select on this button right here which says create new, or you can choose one of these shortcuts right here. So if you select this button, after selecting this button guys, you guys will get here on this window. And on this window guys, you guys can see on the top left corner there are a bunch of options which says resend, saved, print. All of these are the template types that you can choose to work on. After selecting a particular one just like that, you guys will need to select on this create button which is available in your bottom right corner. So after selecting this button guys, you guys will get here on this page. So guys, now you just need to go on this toolbar on your left, and after that you guys can see this option right here which says rectangle frame tool. Now just select it and right click on it, and you guys can see on the bottom option which says polygon frame tool. Now just select this option, and now guys you can freely make the polygon frame through the help of this tool. So now guys, you just need to select on this selection tool, and now you can do your work on this polygon frame. So just like that guys, you can also make your polygon frame in your Adobe InDesign just like that. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.